The Amazon rainforest, the lungs of our planet, covering more than 5.5 million square kilometers. It is the largest tropical rainforest on Earth. Located in South America, the Amazon spans 9 countries: Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. Nearly 60% of the Amazon lies in Brazil alone. The Amazon basin is massive, stretching over 2.3 million square miles. Altogether, the Amazon biome covers about 40% of South America. It's not just a forest, it's a world of its own. The jungle is home to over 3 million species of animals and insects, 430 mammals and 1,300 birds. While many creatures here are gentle, some are extremely dangerous, from venomous snakes to poisonous dart frogs. What would you do if you came face to face with one of these fascinating but deadly animals? Today, this natural treasure is under threat. Over the past 40 to 50 years, around 70% of Amazon has been destroyed by deforestation and climate change. If this continues, scientists warn that much of the rainforest could vanish within the next 40 years. The Amazon rainforest is more than just trees. It's the beating heart of our planet, vital for Earth's climate, culture, and future. Protecting it means protecting ourselves.